Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial we have created input fields in setting form for tutorial project. Now we are going to make image fields as the choose files so we can preview images whenever we will upload, and if we have already uploaded then we need to review that image which logo is uploaded right now. Okay, so what we will do, we will go into the post controller. In the post controller, okay, these are models, we don't need this. We need a controller folder, post controller. In the index, go to view. Okay, now we need to copy the field okay, so here is the image preview tag and here is the image. Simply copy this, go to the setting index page, this is that. Okay, here we have front end. Okay, place here like this, and you can also use this placeholder with this one. Refresh. Okay, so it is looking like this. For the purpose of identification, we can use a label here, like simply paste the label, remove the placeholder. Okay, so this is called front end logo. Now we will create a backend logo. And now we need to replace this with the feature image. And refresh. So here how it look alike. Okay, what we can do, we can make these all images in a one place, like 1 2 3. So copy the backend logo and replace with page title, and remove this from here and place it here. Now refresh. So all the images are in the one pattern and these are in one pattern, but it is looking odd, so we will add these layout labels there too, so it will be equal on the both sides. Okay, now it will look some better. Here is a question, and that is, we need to reflect the changes of selected images with their associated inputs. So we need to create some image boxes here. So we will create a small image box right after this one. Okay, so let's create a image box. height is around 150 and width is 250. Now refresh. So it's look like this. Okay, we will add some margin upon this. Okay, so we have style margin top 5 pixel. Copy this and paste here and here. So this is the final layout which we are looking now. So whenever we will upload image, it will be visible here, here and here. Okay, it is going out of the layout, so we need to inspect this and we have to add this. This is the page content and portlet title, and this is the portlet body. Display block, or we can say overflow hidden. Okay, it is not working. We have to take help from Metronics, but we will do it later in the next tutorial. I hope this was informative. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.